Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby haul to share with you today, and I hope that you will join me. I found a planner, and I found this one in the clearance section. I paid $124. The regular price is $6.99, and the flap is clear, and then it has a tie-dye insert. But look at this. It's like a blank slate for journaling, and I'm thinking this is where you can create your own blocks, and it comes with the month and the dates, and the whole journal is like this, front and back on each page. And I thought it was a really good find. I'm quite happy with this one. Now they only had one, so I wish they had more, but I'm happy with that one. And then I found some interesting stuff. Let me see. This was, the lid got loose in my bag, and I didn't realize it was leaking until I got home, of course. Let's see. Get some of this off. So I found this frost effect, and it is by, I believe, Folk Art. Yeah, it is by Folk Art. The regular price is $7.99, and I paid $1.99. So this frost effect, it says create the look of frosted beach glass. Isn't that interesting? And you get 8 full ounces. I have 2 of these. You know, I never paid attention to this section, but I'm glad I did. Well, of course, the bright stickers brought me to that section. And then I picked up 2 of these floating mediums. And then these were $5.99, and I paid $1.49. It is a floating medium, and it says makes floating color easy. Now, I've never worked with this, so I'm gonna learn since I have this stuff. Yeah, it'll be interesting. And then I found this blending gel. This blending gel was $7.99, and I paid $1.99. So this one says extends drying time for blendability, and I picked up 2 of these also. And I found this one. This one is by Deco Art, and it says Americana Dura Clear Cream Wax, and it is a clear wax, and 8 full ounces. So all these bottles are 8 full ounces. So this one was $9.99, and I paid $2.49, and I was able to pick up 3 bottles. I am quite happy because I do use a lot of cream wax, so this is an excellent find for me. And that was the clearance items I brought home with me. And then I did pick up a couple of more items. I needed a new craft knife, so I picked this one up. This is from Hobby Tools, but I found mine right by the checkout line, and it's $2.99. I also picked up some refill pages for the 6x8 ring binders. The regular price is $4.99, and I paid $4.99 for 2 because this week the Paper Studio is on sale, so you got 50% off. So I'm quite happy with these, and I like to use these to hold my ephemeras and my die cuts. They work really well. I like the pocket sizes, so I needed to add some more, so I picked these 2 up. That is my Hobby Lobby haul for this week. It is a short haul, but I am quite happy about it because I found some really interesting stuff. I'm quite happy with my haul. The acrylic painting aisle is on markdown, so take a look at your store and hopefully you find all this stuff. Let me see. Let me grab one of each again. Look at this. Isn't that fabulous? So let's see, four, five, six, seven, $8. Look at this. 4 bottles for $8. If you can find them, it's a very good buy. I took some pictures also, and now we'll go ahead and add that for you so you can take a look, because there are a couple of new areas in my store that I finally got marked down, so I will do that for you. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.